story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. You are going to love the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.